Hello everyone. As a routine, I am again with you. Today, I just want to discuss you about the second section, that is the B section. In B section, we are having one question of 6 marks, that is your letter writing. For letter writing, if we talk about the concepts of letter which are available in our curriculum, so these are many in number. The questions are related to the concept which is being discussed here. So in those questions we are getting the questions. These are the questions related to questions like your letters of various sorts. One is the official letter, another is the demi-official letter, and one most prominent letter is your business letter. All three sorts of letters are generally available in our curriculum for 12th class. In our first one, that official letters, these official and official letters are those letters which we are writing to the authorities for describing or catching their attention on some public related issues. These are called officials or demi-official letters. The format for these letters are generally different, but in CBSE that is a complete block format. And another one is the your letter related to the business, that is called business letter. In that we are generally having the order letter, the complaint letter, the claim letter, the inquiry letter, and the credit letter. These are part of etc. These are the parts of your this business letters. We are having both business letters and official letters, so like letter to editor or letter to your authorities, letter to SO, letter to district magistrate, letter to some other authorities like municipal corporation, head of the municipal corporation. In big cities, the nagar nigams are there, Awas Vikas, several other issues, other things are there. And in your business letters, which are going to help you in business, there might be one question in your mind, that what is need of these letters, why to write letters in this very fast going life. We can easily have WhatsApp, we can our content in one or two line, and we can easily send it. We can make a call to instruct or request, or to deal with the concerned people to whom we want to write a letter. No, it is not sufficient, because we need some written documents, we need some written thing for our reference, further reference, and as an evidence. That's why letters are very essential to be written. Here today I am going to tell you the format for this letter. As already told you, there are several formats. That one is the block format, which is part of one is the block format, one is the semi block format, and there is modified semi block format, and fourth one is simplified format. These four formats are common in our day-to-day life, but in CBSE the single one is prescribed, that is our complete block format. Complete block format means the format which is having all essential elements aligned with the left margin of the page. What are these all essential elements? That is, first one is the sender's address, second one is the date, third one is the inside address, and fourth one is the salutation or subject. We can replace either salutation first or subject first. Both are equally accepted in CBSE, but in my perception salutation should come first, but some other scholars are telling that subject should come first. I am not going to argue with this, but both are 200% correct, so don't bother about it. And then is the body of the letter, and next one is the complimentary clause, and finally your designation or name and signature, and then any typist initial and attachment, if any. But generally we are getting that is without our typist initial. If we talk about the first one thing, that is sender's address. Sender's address means the address of the person who is going to write a letter. That is first thing. For example, you are writing this letter to the principal or to the S. Chand publication. So how to write? Like you are sender, suppose you are X, so X resident of Loha Mandi Bidhuna. You are the writer, your address in first 2 lines. Later on you have to write after single space in your left margin, that is your date either in British format or in American format. So either this is MMDDYY or this is DDMMYY, means date, month or year, or month, date and year. But don't write this 2/7/2020. No, write 2nd March 2020 or March 2nd, 2020, like this it should be written. Then again single space is required and you have to write your inside address. Inside address means the address of the recipient or the address of the receiver. The person who is going to receive, his address must be mentioned there, and that must be something like that. Suppose you are writing S Chand, so the publisher or the editor S Chand and 7361 Ramnagar, New Delhi. This is his address. And later on the salutation may be dear sir, and then subject. In subject you can write whatever your issue. Suppose you just want a book which is named as Remedial English Language, so you can write for that. So the need of request for the Remedial English Language, and later on you start it. It is to inform you that I, Mr. So and so, write your name if it is given in your question paper. If not written, so don't write name. And so writing it also depends, you are writing this letter individually or you are writing this letter on behalf of any organization. Suppose it is on behalf of any organization, so write in plural like we, not I. If you are writing individually, so write it I. Like suppose here I am writing individual, so it should be like this: I am writing this letter to inform you that I am in need of a book of Remedial English Language. It is one of the best book which can help us to study the problems or the study the remedies for the problems which are commonly faced by the students of 12th class related to the grammar. This book is not found in my locality Bidhuna on the prominent shops, so it is my humble request to you, please provide or make this book available on the concerned shops, because I just want to purchase it, and it can also be beneficial for other students who are interested to study your English language. And in this regard, if there is any inconvenience, so please inform us accordingly or tell me the other way by which I can easily get it collected for our study. As we are going through with the several books of S. Chand like P.C. Ren and Martin and others, so these are quality books, so we need it. Thank you. I am hoping for a positive result soon. Regards. Or thank you. If you willing to write, so write. Otherwise, somehow in CBSE they denied that there is no need to write this complimentary clause also. Other than this, you have to close it. You have to close it. Close it in the means complimentary clause. Complimentary clause is like your sincerely, your faithfully. Anything should be written. Later on, your designation if you are writing on behalf of any organization, or write your name. Between your name and complimentary clause, there should be some space in which you have to mark your sign, because sign can be considered with sign the letter can become authentic, otherwise it is of no use. So do this, and later on may have attachment if any. Now there might be a question that what is, if you are having any question related to salutation. Salutation means it is simply a courteous word which is going to tell you are a courteous in behavior. This is about the compliment salutation. And your compliment, that body which I told you, body is divided in, if you go through with my body which I already told you, body is divided in 3 parts. If you care about the statement which I made, it is my humble request. So this is the opening, so deal with the opening and then write about the main body. Main body was there that you need to get the book. So main body was the discussion about the book. So opening was, it is my humble request, or with reference to so and so I would like to tell like this, and I just want to need body, and I will be thankful, I will be obliged if you provide these books or make these books available on the good or the quality bookshops. So that is complimentary clause, because if your body of the letter is not properly classified, so it must not be considered better also. So please divide it in concerned parts. And other than this, like this is single reference for the writing and of your letter that is business letter. There may be some other letters in same record. The way of writing letters is almost same. The sender address, the inside address, the date, the salutation, the close, these are same, but only content is varying. How we can vary the content? It can be carried, it can be changed in the beginning. The first one is like I told you in this letter that it is to request you. You can write like this with reference to, suppose you are writing any letter in reply of the same, so with reference to your letter so and so, I just want to write this. So it is in reference to the letter which you have already received. That can be done. Other than this, if you are willing to write something else, like you are having any problem, so you can write like this: it is regret to inform you that I am going to write so and so. Something like that can be done to carry or to have various letters, to carry variety in your letters. Thank you. If there is any issue, any question, so you have to discuss in the classroom. Have a nice day.